Hey, in this video I will show you how to install and run N8N on your Mac using Docker. It's completely free, easy to set up, and most important, it keeps your system clean and organized. Let's go. Why Docker matter? Docker allows you to run application in isolated container. That means you don't install N8N directly onto your system. Instead, everything happens inside a self-contained environment. This setup ensures you don't mess up your laptop. So in simple word, everything live in one dedicated folder. It's easy to manage or remove later. Before we do it right, here's how to fully clean up your Docker environment. Open terminal and run these commands one by one. These commands start and remove all containers, images, and volumes, essentially giving you a fresh start. After that, make sure you have Orbstack installed. Now we move to N8N installation. We start by creating a custom Docker network so all containers can talk to each other. Command on the screen. You can also copy it on my Patreon and Telegram, link down below in description. Step 2. Start Redis. N8N can optionally use Redis to handle workflow more efficiently. Let's start a Redis container, also pasted in terminal. Make sure to replace super secret password with your own strong password. You'll need it when launching N8N. Step 3. Now we will create a volume to persist your N8N data, so your workflows don't disappear if container stops. And step 4. Here's the final command to start N8N. Don't forget to replace super secret password with your desired login password and make sure it matches the Redis password you used earlier. Step 5. Open N8N in your browser. Once the container is running, just open your browser and go to localhost 5678. You will be prompted to log in using the credentials you just set. That's it. Now you have fully worked, isolated instance of N8N. You can build AI agents, workflows, or anything that you want. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about AI, press like and subscribe button and see you soon.